Outlier AI jobs are advertised as remote opportunities where people can earn money by training AI systems, reviewing responses, rating content, and completing different tasks online. But the real question is it real or fake? Now, to be fair, Outlier itself is a real platform, and people have genuinely been paid for completing work on it. The bigger question is whether the experience matches the marketing, what it does well. Real people have been paid. This is not an invented job listing. Users have reported receiving payments for completed work. Flexible remote work. People can often work from home and choose when they want complete tasks. Where the hype falls apart, income can be inconsistent. This is the biggest issue. Available tasks can fluctuate and work volume may change. Not everyone gets continuous work. Some users report periods with few or no tasks available. The pay can vary. Rates and opportunities may differ depending on project type and qualifications. So are Outlier AI jobs real or fake? Short answer, real. People have reported receiving real payments, but that does not automatically mean consistent income or a guaranteed experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.